Okay, so I'm going to talk to you about the hippocampus. The hippocampus is a structure that's really important for spatial memory. So spatial memory relies on the hippocampus, and the more the hippocampus is used, the larger it gets. So why would that be important? Anybody has an idea? Why would the hippocampus be important?
Because you have options.
Okay? Exactly, like if you had to develop new routes. It turns out that there are changes across the lifespan in strategies whereby children mainly use spatial strategies, and it decreases in young adults, and it decreases even further in older adults. And so as we age, we use spatial strategies less and less. There's a study that shows that gray matter in the hippocampus decreases with normal aging. So the reason for this shrinkage includes factors like education, lifestyle, diet, and exercise. But I find it interesting that we found that people use spatial strategies less and less across their lives, but at the same time, the hippocampus shrinks across life as well. So we see it over here in this graph. This is a study from another lab, from Van Petten, where they summarized a large number of studies in the literature showing the volume of the hippocampus. And the middle line is the average. And you can see here in children, it's high. But then if you age, so this is up to age 40, and then it goes down at age 60, and it goes even further down at age 80, and then further down at age 100. So you can see that it decreases in volume with age. So this decrease in hippocampal size is actually a risk factor for developing dementia. There's some beautiful studies that showed that people who were followed with time actually already had atrophy of the hippocampus years before the dementia occurred. So our research leads us to believe that using your hippocampus across your lifetime may actually lower the risk of having dementia, in the sense that the more you use it, the stronger it's going to be, and the stronger it's going to be, the greater volume it's going to have, and therefore we won't be in that risk bracket of people who already had atrophy and then later developed dementia.